Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. I'm here to talk to you today about sourdough starter and how easy it is to make it and to maintain it and get good results out of it. Yes, there is a lot of information out there concerning it, that you need a specific amount of water and a specific amount of flour. That's not true. The way that I do it, and I get good results out of it every single time, is I go by the thickness of my batter when I'm first making it. This right here is already nice and fermented there. Very nice and fermented, but you want your batter to be nice and thick. And when you're starting off making it, okay, you want to make a nice thick batter, start a little bit more thicker than pancake batter. And then for 7 days, you want to discard a tablespoon and add a spoon to it. And you might need to use just a little bit of water, and you may not need to, but you don't have to measure anything. So that's that. And these are my results that I get from it. This is rye bread right there. That's the crumb of it. This is regular sourdough bread. That's the crumb of that. It's just that easy.